So, the topic that I'm going to discuss for today is all about factors controlling highway alignment, specifically geometric design. It may be seen that an alignment can seldom fulfill all the requirements simultaneously. Hence, a judicial choice is made considering all the factors. The various factors which control the highway alignment in general also include geometric design. Learning objectives. At the end of the discussion, the students should be able to 1. Gain knowledge about the overview of geometric design. 2nd, understand the factors affecting the geometric design. 3rd, learn more about the factors that affect the geometric design. So here's the overview. The geometric design of highways deals with the dimensions and layout of visible features of the highway. The emphasis of the geometric design is to address the requirement of the driver and the vehicle such as safety, comfort, and efficiency. The features normally considered are the cross-section elements, sight distance, consideration, horizontal curvature, gradients, and intersection. The design of these features is to a great extent influenced by driver behavior and psychology, vehicle characteristics, traffic characteristics such as speed and volume. Proper geometric design will help in the reduction of accidents and their severity. Therefore, the objective of geometric design is to provide optimum efficiency in traffic operation and maximum safety at reasonable cost. The planning cannot be done stage-wise, in this case like that of a pavement, but has to be done well in advance. Next, the main components that will be discussed include Number 1, factors affecting the geometric design. Second, highway alignment, road classification. Third, pavement surface, characteristics. Fourth, cross-section elements including cross-slope, various widths of roads and features in road margins. Fifth, sight distance elements including cross-slope, various widths and features in the road margins. 6. Horizontal alignment, which includes features like super elevation, transition curve, extra widening, and setback distance. 7. Vertical alignment and its component like gradient, sight distance, and design of length of curves. Lastly, the intersection features like layout, capacity. Factors affecting geometric design. A number of factors affect the geometric design and they are discussed in detail in the following sections. So we have 3 sections here. The first one, design speed. The second one, topography. The third one, other factors. So the first one, design speed. Design speed is the single most important factor that affects the geometric design. It is it directly affects the sight distance, horizontal curves, and the length of vertical curves. Since the speed of vehicles vary with driver, terrain, etc., a design speed is adapted for all the geometric design. So it is seen in this picture. So the design speed. Design speed is defined as the highest continuous speed at which individual vehicles can travel with safety on the highway when weather conditions are conducive. Second, design speed is different from the legal speed limit, which is the speed limit imposed to curb a common tendency of drivers to travel beyond an accepted speed, safe speed. Third, design speed is also different from the desired speed, which is the maximum speed at which a driver would travel when unconstrained by either traffic or local geometry. Since there are wide variations in the speed adopted by different drivers and by different types of vehicles, Design speed should be selected such that it satisfies nearly all drivers. At the same time, a higher design speed has cascading effect in other geometric designs and thereby cause escalation. Therefore, an 85th percentile design speed is normally adopted. This speed is defined as that speed which is greater than speed of 85% of drivers. In some countries, this is as high as 95 to 98 percentile speed. So the next one, topography. The next important factor that affects the geometric design is the topography. Topography, it is easier to construct roads with required standards for a plain terrain. However, for a given design speed, the construction cost increases multiform with the gradient and the terrain. Therefore, geometric design standards are different for different terrain to keep the cost of construction and time of construction under control. And it is characterized by sharper curves and steeper gradients. And the last one, the other factors, we have six, which includes economy, traffic, human, environmental, vehicle, and others. So for the economy, the design adopted should be economical as far as possible. It should match with the funds allotted for capital costs and maintenance costs. Second, the traffic. It will be uneconomical to design the road for peak traffic flow. Therefore, a reasonable value of traffic volume is selected as the design hourly volume which is determined from the various traffic data collected. The geometric design is thus based on this design volume, capacity, and etc. The third one, human. The important human factors that influence geometric design are the physical, mental, and psychological characteristics of the driver and the pedestrians, like the reaction time. The fourth one, environmental. Factors like air pollution, noise pollution, etc. should be given due consideration in the geometric design of roads. The fifth one, vehicle. The dimensions, weight of the axle, and operating characteristics of a vehicle influence the design aspects such as the width of the pavement, radii of the curb, clearances, parking geometries, etc. A designed vehicle which has standard weight, dimensions, and operating characteristics are used to establish highway design controls to accommodate vehicles of a designated type. And lastly, the others. Geometric design should be such the aesthetics of the region is not affected. So aesthetics is still important since it can be a source of um, tourism. Tourism. So in simple words, geometric design is that the alignment is decided based on the design of horizontal and vertical curves, sight distance, and gradient of that section. It is also decided based on the design speed of that highway. So that ends my report. Thank you for listening, and I hope to learn something.